hope you all are fine. Today our book is 6 New Countdown second edition. So let's start it. Our lecture and our exercise is 3B. We have done question number 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have to move question number 5. Okay. We have a question number 4 and 5. So question number 4 is find the pair of twin primes between 50 and 80. I can explain you that what is the meaning of twin primes. Okay students. So exercise 3B and question number is 4. Find the pair of twin prime between 50 and 80. What is twin prime? I have to tell you that what is the meaning of twin primes. The twin primes are the numbers with the difference of 2. Okay. Definition of twin prime is twin primes are the pair of prime numbers with the difference of 2. We have to tell the prime numbers with the difference of 2, means the difference of 2 numbers. So they say that find the pair of twin primes. We have to tell the twin prime pair between 50 and 80. So its first pair is 59 and 61. 59 comes only in its own table and in a table of 1. Also 61 is a prime number. These two numbers are twin primes because there is a difference of 1 or 2 digits. As 59, 60, 61. Next prime number is, we have to find that what is the next prime number. The 71 is a prime number. 72, 73. 73. Okay. These are two examples or the solution of this question. If we go towards the example of these twin primes, we can say that 3, 4, 5. 3 and 5 are twin primes. Next 7 is also a twin prime, but 9 is not. So we can say that 11, 12 and 13. Whenever we have to find the twin primes, we must have to check that its first number is prime number. Okay, if first number is prime, then we count 2 digits. If next 2 digits are also prime, we can write it. If the next 2 digits are not prime number, they are even numbers, so we cannot write them. Its example is 7. 7 is a prime number. 8 and 9. If we count, is 7 is a prime number. 8 and 9. And we say that the next jump is 9. 9 is not a prime number because the 9 comes in a table of 3, the table of 9, the table of 1. Prime numbers have only 2 factors. One, just like 13 comes in a table of 13 and in a 1. Okay. As 73 comes in a table of 73 and in a table of 1. So these are prime numbers. And what are twin primes? That we have to place the numbers with the difference of 1. And the next number which we placed is a difference of 2. I hope you can understand it. We can see you in our next video. You have to practice these and must learn the definition of twin primes. And we can do our next question in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, keep practicing.